final stretch. We have a grilled fruit salad we're gonna work on here. This is our lovely grilled fruit we did out on the Big Green Egg. And we added a few raspberries, blueberries there. We marinated that fruit for a good while there in some honey, cinnamon, and ginger. And this is the liquid that was left over. So we're just gonna go ahead and use at least a little bit of that, right? We're not gonna pour that out, throw that down the drain. That's goodness right there. So we're gonna just pour that over the fruit salad.
Oh, and you added berries in there too.
Yes,
Cool.
yes I did. Look at that. And we're going to just crumble a little bit of feta cheese in there with it to give a nice little tart contrast to the sweetness of the fruit and the glaze. We'll just put a little feta in there, or maybe a lot, you know, depends on your taste. Tonight we're going all out. And then we will take a little balsamic reduction. It's a little thing I did earlier where I just took some balsamic vinegar and reduced it down to a thicker concentration. And we'll just give it just a light drizzle across there to distribute throughout the salad. Finish it with a few nice, beautiful mint leaves. And wow, who wouldn't love that for a dessert, right? It may not be a chocolate cake, but gosh darn it, it looks good, right? And I bet it tastes just as fine.